Hey guys, well we just picked up a brand new set of the Porter cable brushless drill and impact driver set, and we are excited to give these things a shot. We are upgrading from our old Porter cable that we have been using for about the last 7 years, to be honest. This thing has really been through the ringer. It's been well used, helped us on a number of different builds around the shop, but it is time for an upgrade. So we're going to be upgrading here to this Porter cable set, and we'll be opening up the box right after this. Hey guys, Alex here with All Frame Racing, and today we're going to be cracking open the box to our brand new set of Porter cable brushless impact driver and cordless drill set. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. Alright, so the first thing we got sitting here is the user manual, so obviously we're going to want to hang on to that. But it looks like they're both just intact and ready to go. We got a couple batteries here, so this is the first 20 volt lithium ion, as well as then we got a second one here as well. Now these are only, I think, 1.5 amp hours or maybe even less, so we're going to definitely want to upgrade to something a little bit more powerful and beefy. But here's the impact driver here. I have decent sized hands, but this thing is actually pretty compact and light. All I did was read reviews up on these, so this is the first time I'm really even seeing these things. I bought it based on the reviews on Amazon, so I'm going to make sure to post a link in the description below, so make sure to read the reviews yourself, check them out for yourself, and do some shopping. But here's the impact driver, and then we also have the cordless drill sitting here. Again, these are both pretty compact. I'm going to try to put the camera back a little bit, but they're pretty compact. They fit well in the hand. We'll get them out of the plastic, obviously, and put the batteries on. But they have a really good, solid feel, and they seem fairly well balanced, too. Also, we got our battery charger here. It looks like there's just one, so that's fine, because we'll probably be only using one of these things at one time. And then we got our clips for our tool belt. So that's pretty cool, and it comes with a few different accessories here as well, different bits. So now that everything's out of the plastic, let's go ahead and pop these batteries in. So it's just, looks like it's just a track here. It pops till it snaps, just like the old one. And we're going to do the same thing with the impact driver. Again, just taking the battery, sliding it in till it pops, and there we are. So balance-wise, this is actually pretty well balanced. It sits, oh, and it comes with power already ready to go. Sweet. Pretty well balanced in my hand. Kind of, you can use it kind of like gauging like a gun. You put your finger under the trigger here, and you can lift. So it's not perfect. It does have a little bit of back sway to it, but honestly that's good because it's going to stay right in your hand. It's not going to fall out as you're working, so it feels really good and balanced. That's for the impact. Let's do the same thing for the drill. Oh, again, really nice, well balanced. This thing just bounces right on my finger. It's really nice, and honestly it's a fair bit lighter as well compared to the old one that we had. So here's just a quick side-by-side comparison for a sense of scale and size. Again, we've been using this Porter cable drill for a number of years now, and honestly it felt like it was fairly compact, but after seeing this new one right next to it, there is no comparison. I mean, you guys can see the difference right there for yourselves. Obviously the batteries are smaller thanks to lithium ion, but then the actual drill itself is just more compact. The chuck's a little bit shorter. The extra adjustment for your torque values, that's also smaller, as well as the whole thing's just generally shorter. So let me stick this one actually in front. And again, just front to back, you guys can see the scale difference right there. We're standing straight out in front of it. as well as the angle too. Just a lot more compact, seems really nice. And the other feature that I really wish I would have had on the old one was this right here. It's an indicator. It tells me how much power is still left in your battery, because more than once that old drill has let me down to where it was working just fine, and all of a sudden it really just loses power real quick and fades, and then the job has to stop until I can get a new battery swapped out. So be nice to be able to check it. This is another nice feature that they've added from the old models. So my initial impression right out of the box is these are definitely more compact than the older models, which will be really nice for around the shop. They're not going to take up as much space. They'll be easy to just mount up on a tool belt if I'm going to be working on different projects around the house, as well as just having around for our different builds within the shop. The only other thing that's left to do here, and I won't even bother showing you guys, is we can add those clips onto the base of the drills here, so that way you can just clip it right onto your belt and not have to worry about them falling off or anything weird. We're definitely looking forward to giving these things a try, and we'll see how these go. I'll try to make a follow-up video here in a few months. So the reason I'm going to do that is because I really want to put these things through the test before I give you guys a full-on review. This is really just an unboxing video at this point. Definitely excited to give these things a try, use them on some of our different derby builds around the shop, as well as some other construction projects. So there you go, guys. Definitely make sure to check out the link in the description below. Read the reviews for yourself and the ratings, and do a little bit of research. These look to be good so far, and I look forward to giving these things a good shot and make them do a little bit of work for us. Hopefully you guys like this video, and make sure to keep checking in for the update. As we do end up using these a little bit more, we'll try to make a review video. So until the next video, we will talk to you later, guys.